received a BPG image file and nothing on your computer can display it. This is a high-efficiency image format that hasn't gained mainstream support yet. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and convert these better portable graphics images. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor BPG errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. BPG files are image files using the better portable graphics format created by Fabrice Bellard as a replacement for JPEG. They use HEVC intra-frame compression to achieve significantly better image quality at smaller file sizes than JPEG, supporting high bit depth lossless compression, animation, transparency, and wide color gamut encoding. BPG image files use HEVC high efficiency, video coding intra-frame coding for compression supporting 8 to 14-bit color depth per channel with 420, 422, or 444 chroma subsampling. The format includes alpha channel support color profile, embedding EXIF metadata, and optional lossless coding mode within a compact container structure. The initial software setup links the BPG file directly to XNView MP by XNsoft. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows offers minimal editing capability, while full manipulation requires image editing software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your BPG file and click Open With. Test with XNView MP if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. When a BPG file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, viewing BPG images. Download the BPG decoder from bellard.org/bpg, or use the JavaScript-based BPG viewer in a web browser. The BPG View command line tool displays BPG images directly. For a graphical experience, use XNView MP, which supports BPG Format, through its extensive codec library for viewing and basic image management. Next, converting to standard formats. Use the BPD command line tool to convert BPG files to PNG format by running bpg o output png input BPG. For batch conversions, create a simple script to process multiple BPG files at once. The resulting PNG files can be opened in any image viewer or editor on all platforms. Finally, encoding BPG images. Use the BPG ENC command line encoder to create BPG files from PNG or JPEG source images. Run BPG ENC SKU30 O output to BPG input to PNG, where the quality parameter ranges from 0 to 51, with lower values producing higher quality. Experiment with quality settings to find the optimal balance between file size and visual fidelity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.